Hey guys, today, let's learn how to fix our Wise application not opening. So in the case that your application that you downloaded on your device, which is basically the Wise app, is not opening, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys what are the possible fixes that we could do in order for us to solve this issue. Alright guys, so one of the best fixes we could actually do in order for us to solve issues like this is to go in over and access the version of the application. So how do we access that? Basically, in simpler terms, you just want to make sure that the application that we are currently using is the latest version of Wise. So I would like you to go ahead and launch the App Store and search for the Wise application and make sure that you are not using an outdated version of Wise. Now, using outdated versions or applications that have not been updated to the latest version could lead you to having some issues with using the application and also the application not working or running completely. So I would like you to make sure that you have the latest version of Wise by searching for the Wise application on the App Store and making sure that you checking if you have an update available. And if you do have an update available, go ahead and update your applications to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed and you're gonna have the best user experience possible. Now, once that is done, you may also go ahead and do a quick restart of your device. And to do so, just tap on your assistive touches, device more, and then restart, and then tap on restart again. Successfully restart your iPhone. That's how you solve this issue, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.